So today we are going to discuss stack tag, anchor tag, list tag. So that we'll start with the tag. So I am continuing with the same file. So I am writing stack. So if you are unable to remember the spelling of the tag, just you can type in Notepad, automatically it will appear. You can select it. Then I will write hello, I am closing the tag. So I return the information, I saved my file, again I am running it. So just I will reload the file. So here you can see hello, the information is written hello and it is track. So if using this track tag, whatever the information will type within that will be appear in this fashion. You can clearly see hello. It is now using this track, the information whatever will write, that information will be highlighted. So this type of information will use the tag that is called as also known as deleted tags. So that information is nothing but no longer used. We can identify by using strike tag. Now we are using two more tags here. Before going to anchor tag, just I will start the list tag. So in list tag, we are going to use two types of information. So ordered and unordered. Suppose I want to make the ordered list, we are providing order tag. Suppose I want to give, so I want to make as a fruit tag. So in that fruit, flower. So if I use the order, I may use 1, 2, 3. So that this for writing this one you will use OL tag, ordered list tag. So here I want to include the information OL tag is nothing but order tag. Which are the content I want to make ordered? Here I have done fruits, flower. So I have write LI list tag, then LI close. I can write fruit here. So name is written here. So it will display one. Second one, if I write same thing, flower. Go on, it will add unordered tag. So same thing, if you want to use unordered tag, then you will write OL is replaced by UL. Then again you can write list. So instead of number, some other information you may write star, some other symbol you may also use. We will discuss how it will get output. So we are using order tag. Then we will write li list of tags. So we will write close of li tag. So one information I written. Next I will write one more tag. Then I will close the OL tag. So I will save my file. I will save my file and I will run it. So this is a previous output. Just I reload. At the bottom, I can get, I written ordered list, fruit for 1 and flower for 2. It appears the numbers 1, 2, 3. If I go on add the list. So we are using unordered list here. We will replace S6 by H1. So now we will write, as you are using for ordered list OL, for unordered list we have to use the tag UL. UL stands for unordered list. So again the list we can use is LI. So I will write car. Next we will write bike. Next we will write so here I written 3 information. So ordered list is started and it should be ended. End of the tag unordered list UL. Now unordered list is ended. So it started here and it's end here. So we will save our file and we will run it. So this is our previous output. Now previously it was S6. Now I changed to H1. I will reload it. So unordered list appear larger size, and here car, bike, bus are, we are not mentioning any heading tag to it. So these are the 3 informations are unordered list. So ordered list we are getting numbers, unordered list we are not getting any numbers. Now we'll add now I'm using here in this example, if you forget to close ordered list, what happened? So I am closing here. Check it carefully. I am closing at the last. So I am saving my file and again I am running it. So this is our previous output. Anything is changing? Nothing we are getting changed. Even though the tag is not closed, it will not affect the ordered list and unordered list. Now I am adding ordered list inside another ordered list. So we will write close of OL tag. So now we are using, I have written inside the flower. So just I will change the name. So I will mention stationery there. I will replace the flower by stationery and save it. Again I am running my file. So check it, what the changes you will get. So what I got? Unordered list, fruits, stationery. In stationery I got 1 and 2. So inside the ordered list or unordered list I can add the sub menu also. Means sometimes we may get, this is a fruit is only one type. In stationery I am adding pen and book. So we can add ordered list inside unordered list. So now we have tabbed ordered list. Can we add unordered list to it? Let us check. Now I am replacing ordered list by unordered list. Ordered list by unordered list. I am saving my file. So we will check whether we will get any changes or not. So what we got changes? So we got the numbers are there, pen and books became unordered list. So ordered lists are converted into unordered list.